Hello everyone, today is Tuesday, it's Home Tips Tuesday. I happened to see a very easy way to clean microwave from TikTok. So today I want to do the experiment to show you how to use some easiest way to clean the microwave. The material is pretty easy, it's just a white vinegar. Put the white vinegar into my microwave. You can see now inside is a little bit dirty, so after we'll take a look at the results. For 3 minutes. It's hot, be careful. Now we can use the clean wipes to see. This thing is very easy to be off. See? This is how my microwave looks like now. It's pretty clean. Thank you for watching.